Hello. আজি মই motion chapter to equation of motion. First equation of motion যেটো আছে that is v is equal to u plus at সেইটো solve কৰাৰ কাৰণে সেইটো find out কৰাৰ কাৰণে চেষ্টা কৰিম using calculus. Okay. Today I am going to establish the relation between v is equal to u plus at using calculus. Okay. For that I have or we have average velocity is equal to dv by dt. This is the expression which represents average velocity of a moving object, that is AAV is equal to dv by dt, that is differentiation of velocity with respect to time gives us average velocity of an object. It gives me A is equal to dv by dt. This implies dv is equal to a dt. Suppose to say this is equation number 1. Now I have to find out the relation v is equal to u plus at. To get that relation, I will have to integrate this expression within the velocity limit, upper limit v and the lower limit u, that is initial velocity v, initial velocity u and the final velocity v within the time interval 0 to t, that is initial velocity is u and final velocity is v within the time interval 0 to t, so that I will have the expression v is equal to u plus at. Let's do that. Within the limit u and v and time interval 0 to t, integrating dv within the limit v to u and integrating this within the limit t to 0 a dt. This gives integration of dv gives v and the limits is v to u. Similarly, a is a constant, a comes out here, and integration of dt is gives t. Integration of dt is t within the limit t to 0. If I substitute upper limit and lower limit here, v minus u is equal to a into t minus 0. V minus u is equal to a into t. This implies v is equal to u plus at. This is the equation that I require to find out v is equal to u plus at. It gives, I can find out this equation by integrating dv is equal to a dt within the limits, velocity limits v to u and time interval 0 to t. Then I get v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion that I have already established here using calculation. Good day.